How to know how many photos in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now, you can see here sharing option. Click on it. You can see the number of the photos at the bottom. You can see in this folder there are one item, in this folder there are three items. In this way you can see the number of the videos which you have in Google Photos. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Like you can see three items. If you add any of the photo and click on add, now you have to go back and you can see five items. In this way, in each folder you can see the number of photos or videos below the folder. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.